In an emotional Oval Office address, President Biden stunned America by announcing he won't seek a second term. His love for this nation and a burning desire to protect democracy led him to this selfless decision. His love for this nation and a burning desire to protect democracy led him to this selfless decision. Biden's departure is more than political strategy. It's a call to action for all Americans. He emphasized that safeguarding our republic is paramount, urging us to rise above division and animosity. Despite his significant achievements, the pressure from within his party and doubts about re-election weighed heavily. Biden's message was clear. The fight for democracy transcends personal ambition. Without directly naming Trump, Biden alluded to the ongoing threats to our democratic values. He painted a stark choice: progress versus regression, hope versus animosity. By stepping aside, Biden seeks to unite the nation and galvanize us to actively participate in preserving our democracy. The future of America is now in our hands. Like, comment, and subscribe for more 2-minute news stories.